Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating aspects of gardening, companion planting. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding which plants thrive together can make a huge difference in the health and productivity of your garden. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 10 fantastic companion planting combinations that work like magic, helping your veggies grow strong and happy. So, let's jump right in. Starting off with our first dynamic duo, tomatoes and basil. Tomatoes are a staple in many gardens, but did you know that planting basil alongside them can be incredibly beneficial? Basil acts as a natural insect repellent, keeping pests like aphids and mosquitoes away from your precious tomatoes. Plus, these two just seem to bring out the best flavors in each other. Plant basil around your tomato plants for a healthier and tastier harvest. Next up, let's talk about peppers and onions. Peppers love the company of onions, and for good reason. Onions help deter pests that bother pepper plants such as aphids and spider mites. They also add a layer of protection against certain diseases. The best part: planting onions with peppers can actually enhance the flavor of your peppers. It's a win-win situation. Moving on to something leafy, lettuce and radishes. This pairing is a classic in the world of companion planting. Radishes are quick growers and can be planted between rows of lettuce. They help break up the soil, making it easier for lettuce roots to absorb nutrients. In return, lettuce provides shade for radishes, keeping them cool and preventing them from bolting too quickly. This combo is all about harmony and efficiency. Now let's talk about beans and corn. This is an age-old Native American planting technique known as the Three Sisters. Beans climb up the sturdy stalks of corn, which provides a natural trellis for them to grow on. In return, beans fix nitrogen in the soil, benefiting the corn. To top it off, squash or pumpkins can be planted around them, creating a beautiful and productive trio. Moving along, we have cucumbers and dill. Cucumbers and dill are like best buddies in the garden. Dill attracts beneficial insects that prey on cucumber pests like cucumber beetles. This not only protects your cucumbers but also encourages pollination. Plus, you'll have fresh dill on hand for pickling those delicious cucumbers later on. Let's not forget about carrots and onions. These two root vegetables make a fantastic team. Onions repel carrot flies that can damage carrot roots, while carrots help deter onion flies. Planting them together also saves space in your garden, making good use of every inch of soil. Moving on to a classic pair, spinach and strawberries. Strawberries are shallow-rooted, while spinach roots go deeper. Planting them together allows both to thrive without competing for nutrients. Plus, the leafy spinach provides a natural mulch that helps keep the strawberry soil moist and weed-free. Now let's talk about eggplants and marigolds. Marigolds are superheroes in the garden, known for their ability to repel pests like nematodes and whiteflies. Planting them near eggplants not only protects the eggplants but also adds a pop of color to your garden. It's a win-win for both beauty and functionality. Moving along, we have potatoes and horseradish. Horseradish is a powerful companion for potatoes, deterring pests like potato bugs and aphids. Planting them together can help keep your potato patch healthy and pest-free. Just be sure to give horseradish plenty of space. It's a vigorous grower. Last but certainly not least, we have zucchini and nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are like the guardians of zucchini plants, repelling pests such as aphids, cucumber beetles, and squash bugs. They also attract beneficial insects that prey on these pests. Plant nasturtiums around your zucchini for a beautiful and thriving garden bed. And there you have it, 10 fantastic companion planting combinations to take your garden to the next level. Experiment with these pairings in your own garden and watch as your plants flourish together in perfect harmony. Remember, companion planting is not just about gardening. It's about creating a balanced ecosystem where plants help each other thrive. Have you tried any of these combinations? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening